Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making a very delicious jerk chicken in the oven. The ingredients will be listed in the box below. I'm going to start here now by making the marinade. And I have here hot pepper, lemon, scallion, ginger, onion, thyme, garlic, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, cooking oil. And I would go ahead and blend them now. I have here now nutmeg, salt, sugar, paprika, browning, I have some left waters here which I already washed with lime and vinegar, and I'm now adding my powder season. Jerk seasoning, salt, garlic powder, and I will be using a half of my marinated sauce. Remember, I told you before, all the ingredients are in the box below. Then I will rub these in. I will let this marinate for about 2 hours. After marinating for 2 hours, I will now place it in the oven at 400 degrees. You can let it marinate for 24 hours if you have the time. After 1 hour of cooking, this is the finished dish. I hope you guys give it a try. Remember to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.